Women over 40 ask me all the time, Harpreet, what's the actual difference between Legacy Builders program and Royal Business Academy? Which one should I choose? Because I'm inside both the programs and I am breaking it down in the simplest and honest way. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one fits your goals, your budget, and to be honest, like in the life you are right now. If you want to check out any of the programs, I will put the links down below, and that way you will be also supporting this channel. If you're like me, you're not here for the hype. You just want clarity. You want to know what you are buying, what you are learning, and how it actually helps you make income online. So let's keep this super simple. First, what do both programs help you do? Both Legacy Builders and Royal Business Academy help you get into the digital marketing. Even if you are starting as a complete beginner from zero, they help you understand online income, creating content, learning marketing basics, and you can actually resell both the programs with 100% profit. But how they get you, that's where things become really different. So let's start with the pricing, because I know that's the first question every mom, every nurse, every busy woman asks. Royal Business Academy is one-time $77. There are special promos which goes throughout the year where you can adjust your pricing, your profit, because that's where their main slogan, but the maximum limit is $77, and they also adjust the lower limit. So you will have to check out the announcements inside the community to know that part. Legacy Builders program originally launched with 4 tiers, $100, $300, $600, and $900. Later, they introduced the high ticket $1,400 program with the Spanish version added to it. High tiers include deeper coaching and more options inside the program, and that's make it different. Now let's talk about support and community, because this is where the big difference starts to show. Legacy Builders is very community driven. You get multiple live calls every single week, mindset, marketing, content creation, technical help and support. You feel like you are learning inside a guided classroom where you are never alone. You always have somebody who can answer your questions. Whereas in Royal Business Academy, they do fewer calls than Legacy, usually like bi-weekly, and their learning is more self-paced. It's perfect if you are like to move quietly at your own speed. Now let me tell you what you actually get inside each program, and I want to explain it in a way where you can actually visualize how you can make money. Inside Royal Business Academy, you're not just getting access to 40,000 digital products. You are getting income paths. That means different income streams. For example, if you want to sell digital products, you can download a planner or a journal, rebranded, listed on Etsy or on your website. And if you want to learn about Amazon income streams, let's say Amazon affiliate program, which means you are going to recommend the products which you already use in the house and you earn commissions. And not only that, if you want to learn more about government contracting, they have detailed modules showing you how to apply for the government contracts, how to get your business number, how to get everything set up. The whole process is explained step by step and also provide you more resources in order to that. And they also cover systems like customer service, drop shipping, starting different kind of businesses, whether it's service-based, product-based, or low. You get everything. The best way to think about RBA is this. It is like a giant library ready to use for business resources. You can choose what fits to your personality and your lifestyle or the skills you already have. Legacy Builders is very different. Legacy is not about giving you a huge library or option of business opportunity, but it focused more on making you a confident digital marketer. Inside Legacy Builders, you learn marketing psychology, how to create content that attracts the right people, how to tell your story in a way that builds trust, how to build a personal brand, how to create your own digital products, and how to stay consistent with a strong mindset. Honestly, Legacy is the reason I even show up on YouTube today. Before this program, I didn't know how to structure my videos, how to speak on camera, or how to build authority. It teaches you the skill of marketing, something you can use forever, no matter what business you choose, because you just start from one place and then you stack on top of it. So the real question becomes, do you want products or do you want skill? Let me break down the income paths. Inside Royal Business Academy, you can make money by reselling the program, selling digital products, listing templates, journals, starting drop shipping, or any other services like Amazon affiliate income, or following any business models they give you. It's a big mix of different paths, different alignments. There's a lot of different resources inside there. Inside Legacy Builders, you make money by reselling. You learn affiliate marketing, building a personal brand, creating your own digital products. You can also learn how to coach or offering content-based services. Legacy is more focused on the long-term marketer. So who is each program best for? Royale Business Academy is for you if you want something affordable, simple, and flexible. If you want to just plug and play products, or if you don't want to show your face, RBA gives you every option. Legacy Builders is for you if you want deeper support, live coaching, accountability, and the skill set to build a brand and stay consistent. So here's my honest experience as someone inside both the programs. RBA gave me confidence because I could pick a product and start right away. And Legacy Builders gave me the clarity because I finally understood how digital marketing works. RBA helped me to start different income streams like Etsy and everything, and Legacy helped me to grow. And honestly, they don't compete, they actually complement each other. And if you want to see my complete review for both the programs, you can go check out these videos. And I will leave both the links down below. So take your time, explore them, and choose one that aligns with the season of life you are in right now. And if you do like my video, don't forget to hit like, save, and follow. And I'll see you guys in my next video.